Hey guys, just want to give a quick update. I said I was going to be at the off-road games out in Sand Hollow, Utah, Sand Hollow State Park in southern Utah, for the Matt's Off-Road Record Games. Unfortunately, we're not going to go. So, you know, I went last year to the Off-Road Record Games and they were fantastic. I had a great time. So I plan on going again. Why not? It was fun. But this year he changed the format, and the format now is instead of it being, you know, all the YouTubers that I watch, I've also gone on and visited them and talked to them and all that. You know, like Fab Rats and Merlin's Old School Garage and a few of those guys. It's not going to be those guys. So he changed the format, and all those guys backed out. So I guess what it is he's got YouTubers that do off-road content with like buggies and rock crawling and all that. And then there's going to be other YouTubers that have no off-road experience at all, and they're going to drive the experienced off-roaders vehicles, and they're going to spot them through the trails and stuff. Well, it really doesn't do much for me. I don't really want to watch a bunch of amateurs try to go over obstacles. I don't really care for that. It's not really what I care about. Last year it was great because they went over a level 10 trail dragging junk cars with tow trucks. It was fantastic. This one, yeah, it doesn't really intrigue me. The dead poles on the sand, that would be great, but the only one that's going to be there that I'd really want to watch is Heavy D, and I'm not going to go just to watch one person. It doesn't make sense. Unfortunately, I did, when we found out that the dates for the weekend that he was doing it, we instantly went out and bought airfare just to make sure we had it. And then as the days went on, we found out exactly what the event was going to be as it progressed, and it's not something I want to go and witness and be a part of. Not to mention, last year I think the tickets were like $70 a piece. This year they're $125 a piece. Three of us usually go in order to get all the content from different angles. We use multiple cameras and stuff, and I mean, yeah, I'm not going to pay $375 to go and watch an event that I really don't have any interest in seeing. So any of you guys that I told I was going to be there and I give out stickers and such, sorry, unfortunately, we're not going to go. But I will be in southern Utah anyway for that same time frame. So, you know, if anyone's out there ATVing, or if you guys are going to be down in any of those areas doing off-road stuff, shoot me an email. Let me know. I'll meet up with you, and we'll do some off-roading together. But anyways, that's the update, and once again, we're not going. So, unfortunately, maybe next year they'll go back to the original format. Maybe they won't. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching.